The sacrifice of Isaac versus Ishmael, a father's test, a heavenly shadow. God told Abraham, "Take your son, your only son, and offer him." Which son? Isaac, born of the promise. Ishmael, born of the struggle. Both sons mattered, but God chose Isaac, not to reject Ishmael, but to reveal a future sacrifice, Jesus, a father willing to give his son. And this time, no angel stopped the knife, because you were worth it. In the silence of the desert, God whispered something unimaginable to Abraham. "Take your son, your only son, whom you love, and offer him to me." But wait, which son? Issac or Ishmael? Abraham had two: Ishmael, the firstborn, born through Hagar, and Isaac, the child of Sarah, born through a miracle. Both were sons of Abraham. Both were deeply loved, but only one was chosen for this test. God said, "Your only son." Not because Ishmael didn't matter. He did. God had blessed him, made him a great nation. But Isaac was the child of the promise, the line through which God would send his blessing to the whole world. Through Isaac, the Messiah would come. So Abraham obeyed. With a broken heart, he climbed the mountain, not with rebellion, but with faith. Isaac, young and strong, carried the wood, just as Jesus would carry his cross. And then came the moment. "Father, where is the lamb?" And Abraham answered, "God will provide." He raised the knife, and heaven cried out, "Stop." An angel, a messenger of mercy, stayed his hand. And in the thicket, a ram waited, the substitute. But thousands of years later, on another hill, no angel stopped the knife. This time it was God's own son, Jesus, and he was the lamb. There was no voice from heaven to say, "Stop," because this was the plan all along. This was the fulfillment. God did not ask Abraham to do what he himself was not willing to do. Isaac's sacrifice was just a shadow. Jesus was the real offering. He took your place. He carried your cross. And when the nails went in, it wasn't weakness, it was love. A love so deep, so fierce, so sacrificial, that it gave all. And why? Because you were worth it. God looked across eternity, saw your name, your sins, your story, and said, "I would rather die for them than live without them." That's the meaning of the mountain. That's the heart of the Father. For more videos, like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel.